Hey, welcome back to Canda's World Candy Dance. Y'all, I got on my girl Vibe with Cola Boom shirt. I told y'all I was going to be representing it. So I'm eating McDonald's, so it's not going to be a reading today, but there'll probably be a sippy time with a little bit of wine, just, you know. So y'all, I'm in McDonald's, so it's not gonna be a long video. But I had to put a video out there. Oh my goodness. This phone don't never fail. I be glad when my computer comes today. I'm getting it today. I'm getting it today. How's y'all weather? Because my weather up here is messing with my sinus.
Hello?
Tell her I'm doing a video. And then you don't even want nothing. I'm doing a video.
Okay, she can talk a little bit. Everybody was talking a little bit.
If everything, it's here. But she boy, she wanna mess with me. Kid.
Yeah.
I'm going to Walmart, y'all. Because I think Walmart got the seafood in the bag. The seafood bowl. And I want to try that for tomorrow. If not, I'm getting some crab legs. I got some shrimp, I got some eggs so I can make my own, but I want the bag, the seafood bowl bag more refined. That's what I'm going to Walmart for. And I gotta hurry up and come back home because I'm doing my I'm waiting on my computer. And they do have a web camera, so I'll probably go live from there soon. That's my Christmas present from my husband. I ain't break my lipstick, so this food don't wipe it all, but it's all good. But I told I'm keeping this shirt on all day representing the vibe. Thank you, girl. I'm gonna start doing my 56 time shirt soon. I shouldn't be eating this, but I'm out and about, and I normally get me and my kids come to eat while we out. Y'all ready for the New Year? I am. I don't really have nothing to say, y'all. I'm about to slide. But if you like what you like, subscribe. If you don't, you can pass it on by. Until next time, I'll see you another time with another mukbang. Don't forget, sip time is today.